The Chemron Stainless Steel Rejuvenating Do-It-Yourself Kit has specialised liquids formulated for the two tasks of restoring and protecting stainless steel. The rejuvenating paste removes contaminants such as corrosion, tea staining and rusting. The Stainless Steel Sentry product, once applied, provides long-lasting protection. Read the safety data sheet and always follow the instructions when using this product. Apply some water to the affected area and then apply the rejuvenating paste. Agitate to a foam to remove contaminants and allow to stand for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing with water. Dry the surface thoroughly with a clean cloth before moving to the next step. Spray on the Stainless Steel Sentry and lightly rub onto the surface to provide a smooth, long-lasting protection.